Okay, I didn't mean to stop the recording, so I'm gonna have to upload this in parts. But yeah, let me mute my mic real fast. BRB. All right. So taking a bit longer than expected, I will say. Really might be waiting for that 2 o'clock move. We got 7 minutes until 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's really looking nasty right now. I mean, really looking nasty. But we got time. Still gonna follow the stop loss. Let's see if we flush below that below our level here and get stopped out, or what happens. Oh, it's looking like it. It's quite scary. But we are right here at support. That's pretty elevated volume there. Just hit 2 o'clock. So we got 1 hour left for market. It is currently power hour. Let's see what happens. I'm really interested right now. Ooh, look at the volume. That's good volume. Definitely getting some elevated volume levels here. Let's see if we can make it up to this trend line and see what it does here, you know. If it doesn't reject much, I might hold it until we see this other resistance here. I'm thinking we could. But I want to see what it does there. So let's see how it acts. I got my order ready to be marketed out if I need to, but it doesn't seem too allergic to that line right now. I feel like we'd see more kind of rejections, still pushing hard up to it, so I'm really thinking we go past it. Yeah, see, people are still kind of buying near it as it's getting close there. So I'm not really thinking that it's gonna just hold and then kind of shut down. I'm thinking we're gonna get there and we'll just push right past it. I'm gonna hold through these pullbacks right now. We might see a couple pullbacks here, but I'm thinking we're really gonna push past that line. A little bit of rejection here, but I want the volume to tell me otherwise that it's done. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep holding. I just think it's gonna push right past it, and it'll be all fine and dandy. Yeah, see, that's good volume going too right now. So this was a trade that I got in with real live money. I kind of saw it was gonna made me feel like it was gonna work. I said, okay, looks like a good trade, and here we are. Just gonna keep holding it, still holding here. And I think that's the first time that it broke out of this entire downtrend. So that's extremely bullish. I think it's gonna definitely gonna keep moving here. Everything still looks good, so I'm holding. I'm still holding it. Looking to get up towards that resistance. Still waiting. Here we go. I'm thinking we fake a breakdown and see a nice rejection. That's what I'm thinking. Really want to see it shoot up to that other resistance there. Definitely uncomfortable to sit here and just watch, instead of just taking the money, watch it slowly get lower in value. It's definitely uncomfortable, but I think it's necessary if I want to get to that next leg up over there that I think is coming. This might be it. Yep, closed above the trend line, so we're still good. Would have sucked if it closed below it. I would have had to cut some loss there. But we're still good. I think we are gonna get up to that other that resistance up there. It looks like we're still going. Still not convinced of getting out yet. I think we want to get a little bit closer to that resistance, and I'm going to take it. Maybe if we can get up, 60 more 60 more cents on the SPY, I think I'll grab it. Yeah, it seems like people are taking the money. Not me though. I'm still waiting a little bit. I want to see it go up. It still needs to go a little bit more. A little bit closer to that resistance up there. Yeah, it's really starting to slow down. So we're not at my target yet, but if we start making new highs again, I think I'm just gonna mark it out and call it. If I see if I see we make a new high, I'm gonna call it. It's kind of slowing down, and it's starting to look like we're gonna be turning around here pretty soon. So I want to see one last kind of push. Let me see a new high, and I'll call it for sure. And if we don't, if this candle goes red, I'm definitely calling it. Or if we get another candle that goes underneath this candle, okay, there we go. We just went red, and I'm calling it right there. Not bad. Pretty good. Let me go over to my paper trade, and I'll close that out. Not bad. All right. So did horribly on paper trading. We absolutely just ruined the account. I mean, we probably lost 50% of the account today trying to do those calls, the original calls here, and then these calls here. But we made a we made a lot of cash, like real money. We made a lot of real money today. So whatever, I'm cool with that. Um, yeah, it's gonna kind of hurt if I see this thing go up towards resistance right now. I'll kind of be pretty sad because I was holding it for a good while, but that's the name of the game. Anyways, I just want to see it play out. I just want to see if my analysis was right. And I want to learn from this trade right now because I think I did a good job um, learning from this trade, or I think I did a good job trading it. So I want to see just what it can do. So we just saw a new high there. And we're starting to break down lower. Yeah, so kind of figured it was almost done. It was slowing down a little bit. So I said, you know what? All right, we're probably going to get a pullback. I might as well just take the money where I'm up pretty good. and I don't want to risk the pullback turning into momentum back down to the downside, especially when we only have 40 minutes left in the day. Especially that. Uh, Good feeling we might hold around this area, and then we might go up even more before close. Good feeling about that, but I think I'm done. I think emotionally, mentally, I'm just I'm kind of done with it right now. So yeah, I mean, great trade. I freaking called that to the dime. I mean, I held a little bit longer than this resistance right here. I figured that it was gonna go past it, and it blew right past it. So that was a great trade. We literally called that right down to the nickel on that. Um, the goal was to get it to that second resistance. It still might get there, but I think for time sensitive purposes, I'm just gonna call it, and that's it. And yeah, great work. We made good actual real money, but we ruined the paper trading account. I mean, we had these last 2 days. We had a great success in the paper trading account, and actually we didn't even trade cash these last 2 days. But today we did start trading cash again because I built the confidence back in the. I was paper trading really well. I built my confidence back. I said okay, and today we went cash, and I made the best trades were the cash trades today. The really crappy ones were just the paper trade ones, and I understand. I was kind of. I mean, it's paper trading. You kind of forget about it. You're like, oh, it'll be okay. If it was real money, I'd like to be at my desk here trading. If it was real money, I was kind of wandering around the earth today. I mean, I was like doing deeds and errands here and there, and I had a paper trade position on for the calls, so I was like, eh. So I kind of messed that one up, and then just it absolutely ruined it. I mean, when I saw that flush, let me pull it up. We got that flush earlier. This flush here, this flush ruined me. And then I went for a call again earlier over here, ruined me again. So chances are I don't want to get ruined again. So we're gonna call it a day. But yeah, what a nice trade that was, just to the penny. I mean, I really like that one. We kind of expected it to break out there, and it was enough volume. Volume just pushed right past it. So great reference video if I ever want to watch it again on on how to hold a trade and know when to get out. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time.